So next example in LPPR graphical solution. So put x value 0 here, then y is equal to 5. Therefore point is 0, 5. Then put y equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5. Therefore right here 5 is 0. Put x value 0 here. 2y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 3 here. So 0, 3. Put y 0 here. Hence x equal to 6 here. Hence 6 comma 0. Then x equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis here. It is a line parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis passing through 3 comma 0. Passing through the point 3, 0 and y equal to 0. It is the equation of x axis here. So these are the 2 points lies on the line x plus y is equal to 5. These are the 2 points lies on the line x plus 2y. Sorry. So here there is a point of 0, 5 lies on y axis here. One more point of 5, 0 lies on x axis. Then join both points here. Next 0, 3 point lies on y axis here. 6 0 it is the point lies on the x axis. Then join these 2 points here. Then one more line here passing to this point 3 comma 0 parallel to y axis here. It is a line parallel to y axis. Here all the constants are greater than type here. Therefore equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 5. Here x plus 5. X plus y is equal to 5 here. And this one x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 6 here. And equation of this line is x equal to 3. So this is greater than type here. So shading is above this line. This is also greater than type. Shading is above this line. This is also greater than type. Shading is this line. Means all the shadings meet here. Okay, meet here. Therefore, so this is the feasible region here. So this is a feasible region here, and it is a maximization problem here. The feasible region is unbounded here. Okay, this is a unbounded feasible region. Hence there is no maximum value. Okay, here feasible region is unbounded. Therefore, LPP has no maximum value. Okay, this is a solution here. Suppose if it is a minimization problem, then we can find the minimum value. Take these three parts here. These are the corner parts of the feasible region. So use these three parts in the objective function. Then which is the minimum value? That is the answer here. But it is a maximization problem. It never ends here. ಹೀಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತೇವೆ LPP has no maximum value. Okay, this is the solution here. This is the answer. So this is the next example here. So here x minus y is less than or equal to minus 1 is there. So take equations here, taking equal to sign, write it 2 times. But here RHS 0 is there. Therefore I am writing x minus x plus y here. Minus x plus y equal to 0 or y is equal to x here. In this case, take care, put x equal to 0. So minus y is equal to minus 1 here. Therefore y is equal to 1. Take care dash. So 0 comma 1 here. Take care dash. Put y equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 1 here. So minus 1 comma 0. Next here 1 and minus 1 is there. You can take here simple values. When x is equal to 1 here, y is also 1. When x is equal to 2, y is also 2. Okay, therefore 1, 1 and 2, 2. 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 lies on the line. Minus x plus y is equal to 0. Or this line passing through these two parts here. Okay. Next, draw the graph here. Here 0, 1 is a point on the y-axis here. So this point here 0, 1. Minus 1, 0 is this point. So minus 1, 0. Join both the points here. So its equation here x minus y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1 here. Then 1 comma 1. So 1 here, this part. Okay. So 1 comma 1. Okay, this part here. Then 2, 2. So 2 and 2 here. So this part. Okay. So join both the parts here. Then the line passing through the origin here. The line passing through origin. Okay. Here this part is 1, 1 and this part is 2 comma 2. So 1, 1 and 2, 2. Therefore its equation is minus of x plus y is equal to 0. So in this case they given x minus y is less than or equal to minus 1 here. Okay, so x minus y less than or equal to minus 1 and one more constant here minus x plus y is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. These are given constants here. Therefore here we don't know where we have to set the region here. Now ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1/2. ಓಕೆ, 1/2 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 1 ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, 1/2, 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 1/2, 1. X quantity is 1/2 and y quantity is 1 here. So just observe, substitute here 1 by 2 minus of 1 here. So this is equal to 2 LCM here. 2 ones are 2. So 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1. Is it less than minus 1 here? Okay. So minus 1 upon 2 is less than minus 1. Is it possible? It is not possible, yes. Okay, it is not possible. Then take one more point here. Is told. Illendre 1 upon 2 comma 2 told. Okay. So 1 by 2 x coordinate and 2 y coordinate. Therefore 1 by 2 comma 2. This substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 by 2 minus of 2 is equal to 2 LCM here. 2 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 is less than minus 1. Minus 3 by 2 means it is a minus of 1.5. Minus 1.5 less than minus 1. Then obviously the equation satisfied here. Here minus 1 by 2 not less than minus 1. But here minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5 is less than minus 1. Therefore shading is this side here. You shade this side. Okay. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಳಿ, ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಶೇಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ here. Okay, next here minus x plus y less than or equal to 0 means take one part this side, the other part this side. Okay, one part ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Same as it is 1 by 2 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Same ಇದೆ part 1 by 2 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 here. Obviously it is minus of 1 by 2 here. Minus 1 by 2 is less than 0. Okay, less than 0. Take one point this side here. Okay, one point ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 comma 1 by 2. 1 comma 1 by 2. Okay, therefore again is here minus 1 and I think here 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1 here, plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 less than 0. It is not possible here. 1 by 2 cannot be less than 0. Then substitute x value 1 and y value 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2. Therefore 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is less than 0. Therefore here minus 1 by 2 less than 0. So this is correct here. Means shading is this side here. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Minus x plus y less than or equal to 0 ಇದೆ. Suppose ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ x value 1 by 2 ಇದೆ, y value 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 2 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 2 plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 1. 1 by 2 is less than 0, not possible here. ಈ 1 part ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 1 1 by 2. So 1 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 here. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 plus minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is less than 0. So this is a correct. This value or coordinate satisfying this inequality here. Therefore shading is this side here. Okay, you shade the reason below the line lines. Okay. ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 by 2 ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೋತ್ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ coincides each other. Okay, both the shadings are not coincides each other. It means there is no feasible reason. Okay, here there is no feasible reason because both shadings not meet each other. ಎರಡು ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ನಾವೇನಂತೇವೆ there is no feasible reason. If there is no feasible reason, then LPP has no solution here. Therefore, LPP has no solution. Okay, so this is the answer.